Hello, and welcome to Tips and Tricks. My name is Jason, one of the training support specialists in the Port Orange Library Distribution Center. Today we will show you how to adjust the mouse settings on Windows PC devices. To access the Ease of Access menu and adjust the cursor, we will open up the menu and choose Settings. In Settings, you will find Ease of Access. Clicking this will open the Ease of Access menu. From here, we will choose Cursor and Pointer, and you will find several options. This slider allows you to increase or decrease the size of the mouse. These boxes allow you to change the color of the mouse cursor. And this last box allows you to pick custom colors. And this slider allows you to increase or decrease the thickness of the cursor used when you're typing, as shown in the box to the left. Once you have finished making your changes, simply close the menu and continue operating as normal. On behalf of the AT and UDL Technology and Learning Connections team, we want to say thank you for joining us today. Please keep an eye on our website for additional videos and support.